How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to give you guys a six-pack ab tip that will help you guys out. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. I'm going to give you guys two tips in this video. First one, we're going to talk about intermittent fasting. Second one, we are going to talk about how much rest period when training your abs. So let's talk about intermittent fasting first. Now, intermittent fasting, this is super good for helping you to lose weight and for developing six-pack abs. Some things that a lot of dietitians and a lot of fitness experts have said, people with PhDs in fitness and people with, again, dietitians, stuff like that, is that intermittent fasting is perfectly fine, but there's a few people that should avoid intermittent fasting. One is if you have an extremely labor-intensive job, which I do. That is a reason why I don't intermittent fast. And I think mothers that are pregnant, I'm not quite sure, but I thought I read somewhere that mothers that are pregnant should avoid intermittent fasting. But anyways, if you are doing a stressful job throughout the day, you should avoid intermittent fasting. The reason why is because of me, garbage collector, working all day on my feet, burning a ton of calories. I need energy every couple hours to fuel my body so I can continue to do it. I have tried doing intermittent fasting for about a week, doing garbage collection, and it was a nightmare. I was demolished, completely demolished. So I require energy throughout the day. So intermittent fasting, not good for me. If you do a desk job, if you do a job that isn't too laborious, intermittent fasting is perfect. Now, the reason why I like it so much for people is because what happens is you generally skip breakfast. That's the most common one, you skip breakfast. Some people skip lunch as well, and they just have one meal or two meals at nighttime. Here's why I like this. It's because, one, you don't have that many meals to prepare, so you can really concentrate on tracking your calories. And two, again, it's not too difficult to make two healthy meals per day, as opposed to if you're trying to make 5, 6, 7 different meals per day, it can get really tough. And if you miss a couple of those meals, you have some cheat foods, it really messes you up. But by only eating 2 meals per day, you can really hammer down on the healthy foods. So that's a big reason why I like intermittent fasting. And intermittent fasting has helped thousands and thousands of people get six-pack abs. So it's something that I really recommend doing. Next thing is the rest period. How much rest should you take per day? Now, to get six-pack abs, I recommend training your abs every single day. There are a few muscle groups that you can train every single day that require a lot of volume. That's your forearms, your abs, your calves. Super important. Those muscle groups require a ton of volume. The reason why your forearms, you're using your forearms every single day. No matter what you do, you're grabbing something, you're using your forearms. With your abs, believe it or not, your abs are working all day to keep you supported. That is how you're sitting straight up right now. It's because your abs are supporting your body. That's where you get the stability from. Your calves, you are walking anywhere you go, you're walking. So you're using your legs generally every single day. You're using your calves. So because you're using them with so much volume every single day, they require volume to grow. So how much rest? I recommend training your abs every single day. That's perfectly fine. A lot of people recommend every other day. Some people only train their abs twice a week, which is not good in my opinion. So if you want, you can take my word for it. You don't have to, but just try it out. Try it out for a couple of weeks. Train your abs every single day. See what happens. I guarantee you will be super impressed and super happy with how the results are. So just keep that in mind. That's what I would do. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.